Open the file in which you want to add a new condition or send an existing one. Head to the Property and Loans section to work with this loan's essentials. Open the Loan tab. Conditions. Select Add to set a new condition for this loan file. Enter a clear condition to keep the loan process on track. You can attach documents if needed. Add a condition number if the lender has provided one. Choose the condition type. Choose the appropriate status to reflect the condition's current stage. Select the date on which you're requesting this condition. Assign the condition to the person who needs to complete it. Hit Save to lock in your changes and keep everyone aligned. Now you can send this condition request via email or SMS by simply selecting your preferred option. The system will generate an email containing all the condition details you entered. If you have multiple conditions assigned to the same person and want to send them all in a single email or SMS, you can do that as well. All you need to do is apply the Assign To filter and select the person. Select all conditions for bulk actions. Once selected, choose whether you want to send all the conditions by email or SMS. The system will include all the selected conditions in a single email. Same thing you can do with SMS. In SMS, conditions are sent through a PDF link. When the recipient opens the link, they can view all the conditions you added.